20 miles per hour.
Now you guys can
Wind
hear
chill
it.
readings 2 below to 8 above 0.
So,
Monday night,
again,
colder. Partly cloudy. Lows
again,
around 0.
we end up getting a
Wind
winter
chill
storm
readings 10
warning.
below to 0. Tuesday, partly cloudy in the morning,
missed the tone
then becoming
and the
mostly
message.
cloudy. Highs 15 to 20. Lowest wind chill readings 10 below to 0 in the morning. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows 0 to 5 above 0. Wind chill readings 5 below to 5 above 0.
We end up
Wednesday,
getting
mostly cloudy. Highs
storm
around
warning.
20. Lowest wind chill readings 5 below to 5 above 0 in the morning. Wednesday night.
It did go off. But of course, you're not going to hear the message till about midnight because it goes into effect midnight tonight. But we also have winter weather advisory and a winter storm watch that expires at 11:59 tonight. So, yeah. So, again, we're going to get heavy snow tonight. Very heavy snow tonight. I'm going to show you, like, again, I'll show you what it looks like outside. So, right now, everything looks pretty good so far. Because we have freezing drizzle. And the salt's working. However, this is only going to get worse as we go towards midnight. And look at how big the snowbank is. Huge. And there's another huge one over there. Crazy. But yeah. Anyway, one more time. Yeah, winter storm warning. That will go into effect at midnight tonight. So, that's just great. Man. Oh, man. Snowbanks are already really high up in the yard. And they're going to only get bigger. Man. A lot of shoveling to do tomorrow, for sure. Damn. Alright. That's about it for the winter storm warning that I ended up missing the message on. But, you know, not going to hear it till midnight tonight because it goes into effect at midnight tonight. But you get what I'm saying. There you go. Hope you guys stay safe out there. And, you know, take it easy on the shovel because the snow is very wet right now if you haven't shoveled it already. Alright. Peace out.